Hello everybody, welcome to TechGent. Today we're going to be covering the top 9 cool gadgets to buy right now on Amazon in 2021. You're not going to want to miss any of these gadgets, but make sure you watch until number 1 because it's one of the most amazing gadgets which could improve your health and even protect you from injury. Hit that subscribe button for more videos like this, and now let's get straight into the video. At number 9 is the TPLink Tapo smart plug. These smart plugs allow you to control your devices when you're not at home. If you've left a light on, no problem, use the app to turn off your lights. If you're away on holiday, these are great. Turn on your TV remotely to fool any would-be burglars. It connects to all the usual smart assistants, so you can program it to switch on your heater or switch on your lights before you get home. If you want to be less hands-on, you can schedule a time to turn your devices on and off at certain times, and you can share access permissions with your family. It's compatible with smart assistants, so you can tell your Tapo smart plug to switch on your office fan. There's no hub required, so just hook these up to your Wi-Fi, download the app and you're good to go. The energy savings you can make by ensuring devices are switched off while you're away from home can help make these plugs pay for themselves over the years. You can manage multiple plugs from the app, and we found them very easy to set up. These are incredibly cheap, coming in at only £20 for a pair. In at number 8, we've got the iRobot Roomba i7 Plus. Making vacuuming a thing of the past, the iRobot Roomba is exactly what you want from a robot vacuum. What sets it apart from most of its rivals is its fully automated self-emptying cleaning base. It's remarkably easy to set up using the app, which is compatible with both iOS and Android. The i7 Plus uses a camera and other sensors to find its way around your home. Where you can run your first training clean, it will map out the entire floor plan layout of your rooms and save it in the app. It will return itself to the base and empty its contents into the cleaning base. The capacity of the bags is excellent, and bags don't need to be replaced that often. You can set keep out zones in the app for areas you want the robot to avoid, like your pet's bed. Then there's even a virtual wall barrier you can place in your home to keep the robot out of a room you don't want it to go in. The i7 Plus is also fully compatible with Amazon and Google Assistants. For example, you can tell your Roomba to go and clean just one particular room. You can set a schedule for certain days and certain rooms to create a fully automated experience. The Roomba i7 Plus is available for around £700. At number 7 is the Xiaomi Pro 2 electric scooter. Featuring an impressive battery and powerful motor, the Xiaomi Pro 2 can travel up to 28 miles on a single charge. The sleek and elegant Xiaomi Pro 2 scooter has a minimalist design made out of aircraft-grade aluminium alloy and weighs in at just 14.2 kg. Taking only 3 seconds to fold and go, the scooter is easy to transport and can comfortably fit in the boot of a car. The Xiaomi Pro 2 extends battery life by recovering kinetic energy generated by use of the accelerator and converts this into electrical power. As well as kinetic energy recovery system, the scooter is also fitted with regenerative braking, which provides additional power for the battery. The sophisticated cruise control system helps to maintain a steady and safe speed set by the rider. There's 3 speed modes with a maximum speed of 50.5 miles per hour. You can pair the Pro 2 via Bluetooth and connect it to the Mi Home app to check your ride statistics on your smartphone. The LED display dashboard on the scooter indicates your ride mode, current speed and remaining battery power in real time. The Xiaomi Pro 2 scooter is available for around £430. At number 6 is the DJI Mavic Air 2. This impressive drone can shoot video at 4K at 60 frames per second. It can capture 1080p slow motion video at 120 and 240 frames per second. Its impressive battery provides a max flight time of 34 minutes. The active track feature uses state-of-the-art mapping technology and new flight path algorithms to offer improved subject recognition and obstacle avoidance, along with the ability to quickly re-engage the subject if it temporarily moves behind the object. The drone does an excellent job at finding an efficient flight path through complex environments. It has a smart photo function to auto-detect what subjects it's viewing and automatically adjust the camera settings to capture the best images with its impressive 48 megapixel camera. It's no slouch either, it achieves 68.4 km per hour. It has a video transmission distance of up to 6 km, which can stream directly from the drone's camera in 1080p HD. This robust drone can handle windy conditions, handling 25 to 30 mph winds with no problem. It's a great choice for somebody wanting to buy their first pro drone. One of its best features is the compact size, and they've done a great job with the propellers. This drone is one of the quietest out there. At number 5 is the Wakako Mini Espresso portable espresso machine. Whether you're camping, biking or hiking, sometimes you want to experience the home comforts while you're away from home. The Nano Espresso is the perfect solution to provide that energy boost when you're enjoying the countryside. This pocket-sized gadget has the capability to produce delicious hand-pumped espresso on the go. It's eco-friendly as there's no battery or charging, although you do need to boil a kettle to add hot water to it before you set out. You can use pre-ground coffee if you're trying to reduce your plastic use, but it's also compatible with an espresso capsules if you want to keep things convenient. The espresso is created with up to 18 bars of pressure through hand pumping, and the end result is as good as anything we've consumed from a high street cafe. The Nano Espresso comes with a built-in espresso cup, and we really liked its compact size and weight, which means carrying it around in your bag is never a chore. The Wakako Mini Espresso is available for around £70. And number 4 is the Rocketbook Everlast reusable smart notebook. Losing your notes is a thing of the past. Simply write on the reusable pages with any pen, highlighter or marker from the Pilot Friction range. You then scan using the Rocketbook app to send your notes to the cloud. There's 36 pages in total. At the bottom of the pages are labelled with QR codes, meaning the Rocketbook app recognises page numbers, enabling your notes to upload in the correct order. The design boasts dotted paper, which allows you to write and draw with complete accuracy and precision. You can use different symbols at the bottom to instruct the app to send your notes to the location of your choice, for example Google Docs, email, or even make your doodles into an animated GIF. You need to wait 15 seconds for the ink to dry on these special pages before scanning with the app, then you can just wipe clean with a damp cloth. This makes it incredibly eco-friendly, no more wasted paper. It's also more environmentally friendly than, say, a smart pen that requires charging. If you're a student, a designer, or even a doodler, you're going to find this incredibly useful. This is available right now on Amazon for only £35. At number 3 is Tile Pro Bluetooth Tracker. Losing your keys is a thing of the past in 2021 thanks to these great lightweight devices. You can put these not just on your keyring but on things like your luggage, wallet, and even something like your Apple AirPods. They're super light and slim, so you can insert these into your wallet or purse easily. The battery life is guaranteed by the manufacturer to last 1 year. It's easy to replace as it's just a standard watch battery that you can pick up in most supermarkets. They are water resistant and they're able to withstand some rain or being dropped on a wet floor, as long as you don't submerge the device completely. Using the app you can track down your lost items. It has a maximum range of 400 foot. It also works in reverse. If your phone is on silent, just double press the button on your tile and your phone will ring even when on silent. If you lose your item outside, the app will give you the last known connection. If you purchase the premium subscription, this will give you a 30-day history of where your tile's connected. It's compatible with the smart device services, so you can tell your smart speaker to find your keys. They're available for £30 each on Amazon. At number 2 we have the Furbo Dog Camera. This is not just a webcam for your dog, but it keeps the dog entertained while you're away from home. It will drop your dog's favourite treats out the dispenser at your command wherever you are in the world. It has some really cool features like a bark alert, so if your dogs are barking you can get a pop-up and you can see what's going on. You can use a two-way speaker to talk to your dogs to calm them down and reassure them. It's got a full HD 160 degree wide angle lens, so it's not that difficult to find the perfect placement to see the full width of your room. The camera also has a night vision mode, so you can keep track of your pets after dark. Very handy when you're on vacation. You can set it to person mode, so if you have an intruder in your house it will alert you. It does support cloud recording, but that does come at an extra monthly charge. It's available at Amazon for approximately £200. Claiming our top spot is the Nerf running Insoles. This is a must-have for all you running addicts out there. This is not just any old fitness tracker. In the box you get 2 insoles with 2 trackers. There are 32 precision sensors that gather data at 1,000 times a second. These compact insoles won't weigh you down, they're ultra thin and super light, weighing in at just 0.8 ounces. They are so easy to use, the Bluetooth links to an app on your phone and there's no compatibility issues, as there's an app for both Apple iOS and Android devices. You get real-time data on cadence, step length, balance, training load, foot strike and pronation. The app gives you visual prompts. If for example you need a pace coach, it can guide you to run at a certain pace. After you've completed 10k, it will give you a personalised running health score out of 100 based on your data. Not only does it have a built-in GPS to track your run, but the data it gathers can help you prevent those nasty injuries. It retails in the UK at £250. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell so we can help you out with other tech videos. Be sure to give the video a like because it really helps us out. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.